Hello everybody, hello from Londonist. Right now the lockdown is over and it's crowded again. And London is back with its markets. You know that London is famous for its markets, and there are a lot of different concepts and styles of markets all around London. And we're gonna tell you about what you can find today. From amazing street food to handmade jewellery, from the home stuff to the vintage clothing you're looking for, I guarantee that you'll have amazing time in London's markets. Here is the list of 4 markets. MALTBY Street Market. MALTBY Street Market is nestled in the arches of a 19th century railway, which makes it one of the best secret gems of London. It's home to 20 different independent street food brands, and it's cool and very edgy. It's best for food and drink. The nearest line is Jubilee Line, and you can get off at Bermondsey. Opening hours, Friday from 12 to 2 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 10 to 5 p.m. BOROUGH Market. BOROUGH Market, which we're in front of right now, is one of the largest, coolest and most established markets in London. You can find fresh vegetable, fruit, the best cheese, the meat, all across the UK. This is not just a market, but this is an entire destination. We can say it's the most tourist-heavy market, so make sure that you're here early, especially on Sundays. You can also find some amazing restaurants in this place, and you can take the Northern Line or the Jubilee Line to London Bridge. It actually was established in 1276, which makes it a historical place as well. And it appeared in movies like Harry Potter and Bridget Jones's Diary. Opening hours are from Monday to Thursday, it opens at 10 a.m. and it goes until it's 5 a.m. Fridays, it opens at 10 a.m. and it goes until 6 a.m. And in the weekends, it opens at 8 a.m. and goes until 5 p.m. Covent Garden. Well, Covent Garden is not your regular food market. It was actually in the beginning a vegetable and a fruit market. Then they carried it to South London and called it New Covent Garden Market. But right now, the Covent Garden Market is best for sitting at the restaurants, gift shops, the luxury brands that are over there, and of course, famous and amazing performers of Covent Garden. You can take the Piccadilly line to Covent Garden stop. From Monday to Saturday, it opens at 10 a.m. and goes until 8 p.m. And on Sundays, it opens at 11 a.m. and goes until 8 p.m. And Portobello Road Market, of course. Portobello Road Market is a market that you can find actually anything, from furniture to vintage clothing, mostly antiques, and amazing food everywhere. It's not just a road, but it's all around Notting Hill. And if you haven't been there, you might just actually remember that place from either Paddington or Disney's Bedknobs and Broomsticks, when they start to sing with the street performers and the traders. That is actually set at Portobello. You can take the Hammersmith and City line to Ladbroke Grove, or you can take the District, Circle and Central line to Notting Hill Gate. From Monday to Wednesday, it's open from 9 to 6. Thursdays, it's open from 9 to 1. On Fridays and Saturdays, it's open from 9 to 7. And on Sundays, it's closed. Brick Lane. Well, Brick Lane is the most famous one for the youngsters. It is in Shoreditch and very conceptual about its street art, street food, vintage places and good music. The atmosphere there is totally different from the other markets, which is more edgy and based on young people. It runs on Sundays and is open from 10 to 5. You can either take the Central Line to Liverpool Street and walk like 12 minutes from there, or you can take the Overground to Shoreditch High Street. The old Spitalfields Market, which is also around Liverpool Street, where you can walk from Brick Lane like in 5 minutes. The vibe and atmosphere is really different from Brick Lane, although they're very close. In here, especially, you can find your souvenir stuff, the things you want to buy to your house, vintage clothing and street food. It's open from Monday to Friday from 10 to 5, Saturdays 11 to 5, and Sundays 10 to 5 again. The South Bank Food Market. Well, if you're around central London, and if you're looking for a very London view, the South Bank Food Market is your place. It gets its name from the fact that it's just at South Bank near River Thames, and you can get the best quality food around there and drop at London High. You can take Northern, Jubilee or Waterloo and City Line to Waterloo, and it's open from Monday to Saturday from 10 to 9, and on Sundays it's open from 10 to 6. The Greenwich Market, well, the Greenwich Market is what I call a local market, because Greenwich is like another town out of London, and it's very historic. You can find traders there who are really passionate about their job, their handmade chocolate, their beloved honey, and after spending some time in the market and get the town vibes, you can either go to Royal Observatory or the Cutty Sark. You can take the DLR to Cutty Sark and walk for 3 minutes. And it's open from 10 to 5 every day. And the last but not the least, and maybe the most iconic and the most famous one, Camden Market. If you want to experience what funk is, you should take your time in Camden Market. It's the hood of famous Amy Winehouse and it's associated with a lot of other artists. There is always something new to see there. And if you want to get a tattoo or a piercing, well, the Camden Market is the place to go. Other than the punk stuff that you can do, there is actually amazing street food and vintage clothing. You can take the Northern Line to Camden Town, and it's open every day from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I hope you all will get the chance to see all of these markets and spend a time and make a plan in each of them for every other weekend. I'll see you in the next video of Londonist. Take care.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Londonist's YouTube channel.